So they are king in their domain, but I'm talking about the two ecosystem merging with each other.
Hmm.
Startups plus the creator space. And when they are merging,
They never get a
I don't
piece
know
of the
how.
upside.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
and
yes.
more often than not, they don't even think they deserve a piece of the upside. This one of the conversation बालाजी के साथ क्रिप्टो पे बात हो रही थी कि अगर डिसेंट्रलाइज सोशल नेटवर्क बन गया तो
हाँ,
यशराज मुखाटे आज सबसे ज्यादा अमीर होता कि जो
हाँ.
व्यू इन द लास्ट 6 months द अमाउंट ऑफ अटेंशन ही हैज गॉटन ही शुड बी रिवॉर्डेड फॉर दैट बियॉन्ड जस्ट ब्रांड्स.
Starting में you can talk about logic, you can talk about maybe a startup or a creator is like distribution reach, that are good thing, but eventually a startup becomes successful when they are solving some real problem for some real population, real segment. What happened with creator, that they comprehensively were not feeling empowered enough that they are actually solving some problem, right? With the rise of some creator, some comedian from the TV, and then thanks to you in India as a separate class of comedians. In the pandemic, people realizing that they are actually important. They are solving some problem in some way, subconsciously.
पैंडेमिक के पहले भी पता था यार विमल ऐसा मत बोल यार.
पता था, पता था. पता, I am just trying to differentiate between the entertainment and entertainment as a service.
करेक्ट
That's
करेक्ट
that's my
करेक्ट करेक्ट
my
करेक्ट.
my point of view,
अंडरस्टूड.
right? That's what I want everyone to realize, that uh, you know creator are basically entrepreneur. Now
करेक्ट.
everybody is saying this. They are solo entrepreneur, and now down the line 5 years, IPO might happen of a creator at a unicorn value. So many things are being said,
हाँ, आज मैं
but
देखा
it's
आर्टिकल ये हाँ क्रिएटर आईपीओ एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा.
yeah. So things are going in the end, and you said about the 10 years. I think things are going to be hugely way up in just next 4-5 years, because whatever happened in the internet, education, e-commerce, it took a decade, maybe 15 years. But for creator economy, it is not going to take so much, because this is fun. This is fun for the people like us who are building this, people who are content creator, and people who are the passionate users of of
करेक्ट
of this
करेक्ट.
of this kind of thing. So it's a fun activity. It is igniting. It is touching different side of brain.
Creators are perceived to be part of the attention economy, or at least the word
Hmm.
creators is perceived to be part of the attention economy.
Hmm.
जिसको ज्यादा अटेंशन मिलता है उतनी उसकी क्रिएटर परसीव्ड वैल्यू होती है, राइट?
Yeah.
बट आई थिंक देयर इज अ मैसिव इकोसिस्टम ऑफ द साइलेंट क्रिएटर्स हु आर मेकिंग अ टन ऑफ मनी, राइट? बट दे जस्ट
Hmm.
डोंट, they are not leveraging the most popular way. Let me rephrase. But they aren't as popular in the attention economy. आप समझ रहे
Hmm.
हो?
Yeah. Hmm.
जब क्रिएटर के बारे में बात ऑफन छिड़ती है तो जो अटेंशन
Hmm.
इकोनॉमी में टॉप है उनका नाम लिया जाता है. इसलिए ऑफन यूट्यूब क्रिएटर्स तुम बहुत सुनोगे, इंस्टाग्राम
Hmm.
क्रिएटर्स तुम बहुत सुनोगे. But if you look under the hood, there is a whole economy of the silent creator who have potentially very large businesses that could be built around the service that they provide,
Yeah.
which often gets overlooked because they aren't part of the attention economy. And I think the more
Yes. Yes.
time that we have spent together discussing this, the more this has started getting validated.
Yeah, it is definitely, and that is also one major problem that you indirectly mentioned, that it's not just about the famous Instagrammers and YouTubers. It's about the silent creators who are just waiting to be, who are already disrupting the market. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो
Correct.
नहीं कर रहे हैं. Having said that, I want to highlight one other category of creator, who might, for example, I am an office goer 9 to 5, but I know
Hey,
Premchand.
it's 9 to 11, but okay.
Okay, yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah. So, for example, I love to read Premchand, and I have read so many of his books and so many of his, creations. मेरे को पता है कि अगर मैं YouTube पे और Instagram पे जाऊंगा, वहां पे तहलका मचा हुआ है. अटेंशन सीख करने के लिए तहलका मचा हुआ है,
हाँ.
और मेरे को
Sorry,
कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं
sorry
होगा.
about that. हाँ.
सो सो लेकिन मेरे को मजा आता है वो काम करने में. So probably I can find just those 10, 20, 50 or 100 people who appreciate this art, and I just want to engage with them. I don't want that race of attention on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. मेरे को बस उन तक पहुंचना है कि यार मैं प्रेमचंद सुनाऊंगा हर संडे को 11 बजे अपना एक्सपीरियंस, या मैं शेक्सपियर सुनाऊंगा, या मैं हिंदी की पोइट्री के बारे में या शायरी के बारे में डिस्कस करना, इट इज जस्ट अ डिफरेंशिएटेड टैलेंट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. And it can be monetized.
Correct.
It is not something just for the hobby, it can be monetized.
Correct.
Right?
Baba, Substack is monetizing opinions.
Yeah.
Like, can you imagine one person is monetizing and making millions of dollars for their opinions? Like,
yeah.
So it's anything, so many things can actually be monetized, which we don't recognize yet. And a lot of people don't recognize yet. I feel like in every friend group, every single person can likely charge $50 for a skill that they bring to the table in that friend group. I think curation is also underappreciated. Like, मेरा दोस्त है वो बेस्ट मूवी सजेशंस देता है, वो उसको मैं महीने के 50 रुपए देना आता हूँ ताकि मेरा नेटफ्लिक्स का टाइम 20 मिनट बच जाए. Right? This is a bad example, but it is an example.
No, it is true example. Well, I open Netflix and sometimes I spend 30 minutes like to understand what to watch, and I end up watching nothing. Just scrolling and seeing the trailers and IMDb rating.
Yeah. So there are existing problems in your life that someone around you or someone that you can get in touch with can actually solve that previously wasn't packaged as a service or a, as a product. But now those will start existing, right? Like Substack, I find amazing. Like what a fascinating thing that's been built.
I know few of our writers on Substack. In fact, Hugo Amsalam is our investor as well. He has written just 3 blogs on Substack, and those are amazing,
Correct.
beautiful blog.
Correct.
Right? And in just 3 blogs, one can get so much, and it can be monetized very easily. Correct. Although he has not monetized, we are lucky because we got.
Creators are chasing freedom, right?
Yeah.
And anybody who chases freedom values time a lot more than anybody who isn't chasing freedom, right?
Agree.
Which is why, like I've been told this, and I've said this. I feel this myself also, that we are still a country that does not value time yet, right? We are still a country that will spend 6 hours to get 600 off on an iPhone, even though your 6 hours worth are 900 rupees. हमको वो समझ में नहीं आता ये connection क्या है ये. But creators are people who want to maximize their time so they can grow their business. For them, I think there exists a big friction and or something that can help them grow 10x.
I agree. So that is why Substack has been considered such a beautiful product, because it has decreased that friction. You need not have to create audience over a long period of time and then monetize it. You can monetize very quickly if you think that you are creating value on day one. So that's the different era we are entering into. So that's what I told you, that creators were living in silos. They were creating their own content, own distribution, own fan following, and there were millions of creators who are doing it. But startups are all about platform. WhatsApp is a platform. Amazon is a platform. So now these two words are mixing. So that's where a beautiful product which will be swift, with low adoption barrier, it will definitely rise if it takes at least 70-80% things for the creator, because they are the drivers of this thing.
We've only spoken from the creator front, which is mostly because both of us have been, I to still am. I've been क्यों बोल दिया यार, इतना quality drop हो गया क्या? Anyway, but from the audience,
quality drop नहीं हुआ, आपका segment change हो रहा है. Now you are entering into different domain. That is becoming more important. जहाँ पे zoom ज़्यादा करोगे वो ज़्यादा होगा. Why now user is ready to pay for the in the creator economy, or for their passion, or for this lifestyle or co-curricular activities, whether it is anything except education. Now the market is getting right where user is willing to pay for these services. User ने value, subconsciously they started assigning value to this segment after education. Okay, अब उनको समझ में आ रहा है कि हाँ, now they are ready to pay for these services, to interact, to invest more time in music, more time in soft skills, more time in poetry, reading, writing, because of internet suddenly becoming a global stage. It was a global stage, but अब सारी जनता ने time बहुत spend करना शुरू कर दिया mobile phone पे, right? So the difference between creator and a consumer is getting blurred gradually because of the sudden vastness of the stage, the internet stage that we have got. and the time that we have got after the pandemic or during the pandemic, the difference between the creator and consumer is getting blurred. वो lines थोड़ी सी ना वो होती जा रही है जैसे yeah I have seen so many of my friends on Twitter, on LinkedIn, they are becoming creator, launching the courses in small things. They are writing newsletters. They are so many of my friends have launched Substack blog. In fact, I have launched my Substack blog as well. So yeah, so this thing is happening.
By the way,
It just seems
everyone is bound to become a creator of some sort. Like this,
yeah
what you're talking about is a media creator, right? People who are creating media.
yeah
But I think as hyperconnectivity increases and as friction to monetize decreases, people
yeah
will find more use cases which they think that they can monetize. Right? लोगों को
yeah
तो पता भी नहीं है कि उनको किस चीज के लिए पैसे मिलेंगे. लेकिन लोगों को
हाँ
अब तक वो पता भी नहीं है कि तो
yes
क्या सॉल्व कर सकता है.
mm-hmm.
लाइक लोग मेरी तरह बुद्धू थे पूरी जिंदगी
Mm-hmm.
कि नहीं मैं तो एक ही चीज कर सकता हूँ. You know what I'm saying? Like people don't know, and I think you're right. The pandemic has increased the speed at which they can
yeah
they can realize. To me, anybody जो ये space में company बना रहा है, right?
mm.
They are making millions and millions of people. They're giving them freedom,
yeah
right? Like that to me is incredible value that is being built in society. Like बहुत दुआएं लगेंगी if someone cracks this really well. Like as media got decentralized through different platforms, I think this now it's time for the money to start getting decentralized this way as well.
Yeah, Nick, I completely agree. I completely agree on that. And that's where the challenge also lies, because again, since creator chases freedom, it is not easy for us to let to ask them to use our product because
क्योंकि they're the hardest audience to please.
so वो ऑलरेडी फ्री है लाइफ में, वो ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं. अब उनको उनको चाहिए, उनको जब तक प्रोडक्ट बहुत इजी नहीं है तब वही तो उसका एडॉप्शन रेट वाला जो पार्ट है ना, एडॉप्शन बैरियर वाला जो पार्ट है. इन वर्ल्ड में जो ओल्डेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है क्रिएटर के लिए भी, वो भी वर्ल्ड में तो ज्यादा मतलब ठीक है पेट्रियन एग्जिस्ट करता था, बट अगर इंडिया की बात करी जाए तो ऑल प्रोडक्ट्स आर वेरी न्यू, सम 5 months 6 months 7 months old. Nobody knew that what is working and what is not working so far. Right, it is not something see, every founder, every company, they want to solve certain problem. It's but the challenge here becomes that what will be the psychology of the product or the experience of the product that would tick with the creator. So we just wish that some of the founders among us, they succeed in empowering this great class of community of creators, as you said, because this is going to be a magical thing, because this is not a new class, Tanmay. This class has been existing since ages. ये है, अभी बस ये है कि अभी विजिबिलिटी बहुत बढ़ गई है. अगर उन तक वो चीज पहुंच जाती है तो इट इज गोइंग टू बी मैजिकल, नॉट जस्ट फॉर देम, नॉट जस्ट फॉर द यूजर्स. इट इज, I don't know. I am so fascinated about this thing that I am unable to find the right word. That how much big is this?
Anyway, I'm very excited about what you're building, Vimal. All the best to you. I mean,
Thank
all
you.
the best क्यों बोलो, जैसे कि हम बात नहीं करने वाले थे कल रात को, वैसे भी फुटबॉल में बात ही करनी है वापस. चलो
ठीक है ना, वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रही होगी ना.
वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रही होगी थैंकफुली. चलो मिलते हैं.
ठीक है, ओके देन मैं, ओके बाय, थैंक यू.